In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create accurate citations and in-text references using the SciSpace Citation Generator, all in just a few clicks. It's especially useful when citing foundational papers in your literature review, allowing you to generate citations quickly without switching tabs or formatting them manually. To get started, head to SciSpace, open the left-hand menu and click on Citation Generator. Here's how to generate a citation. Use the search bar to enter a paper title, keyword, or URL. Then select the source you'd like to cite. On the left, you'll see fields to fill in source details, either automatically or manually. At the bottom, click the Cite button to generate output. On the right, you'll see two outputs, your formatted citation and the in-text reference. Plus, it comes with easy copy and download options for both of them. Let's now go through the complete process step by step. Click Start New to begin. You can choose from different source types: journal articles, books, theses, conference papers, web pages, and more. Next, select a citation style. APA is set by default, but you can switch to MLA, Harvard, IEEE, or browse over 2,500 plus styles. If you're submitting to a journal with specific formatting requirements, you can easily align your citations with their guidelines. Once your citation style is selected, paste a paper title, URL, or keywords in the search bar. SciSpace will retrieve the metadata and show matching sources. Pick the right one, and your citation and in-text reference will be generated automatically. If your source isn't found in the database, just click Add manually and enter the metadata, including author, title, date, DOI, and journal name. Now click on Cite to generate the output. You will get two outputs on the right: the main citation, formatted for your bibliography, and the in-text citation, ready to be dropped into your paper. Copy the citation or download. It's ready to paste into your document or reference manager. Also, while exploring papers on SciSpace, if a paper catches your interest, you can generate a citation instantly from the same view, or go to the Citation Generator tool, and it'll be saved to My References automatically. All your citations are saved under My References, where you can bulk download them in Word or BibTeX format, or delete the ones you don't need. When exporting as a Word file, you can select the citation style for the entire list. And that's it. A straightforward way to generate citation, adapt to different styles, and keep everything organized in one place. Try it now and make citations the easiest part of your writing process.